This is LG refrigerator 2016 model with 260 liters capacity. Here you can see the manufacturing date, price, model number U292JSOL model number.